Isibheqe Sohlamvu, otherwise known as Ditema Tsa Dinoko, is an African writing system that was developed in the early 2010s by a group of artists and linguists. This writing system was developed to be used by all Bantu languages, primarily the indigenous languages of Southern Africa, since that is where it was developed. Due to colonization, currently most Bantu languages are written in the Latin Roman alphabet. But according to the research done by the good folks at the University of KwaZulu-Natal, this is very inefficient for developing highly competent readers of the languages and would have benefited greatly if it was written as a syllabary, such as the Japanese writing script. Enter Isibheqe Sohlamvu, which accomplishes exactly that. It is a free cultural technology that is derived from izimpawu zesintu, such as Ditema Tsa, which is somewhat of a writing system itself. Ndebele house and clothing patterns where every color and shape has a meaning, the beautiful beadwork and shapes that are weaved into Zulu traditional attire, with other inspirations from Xhosa and Tswana and other Southern Bantu cultural patterns. Point is, it is based on well-established regional symbologies and received wisdoms of indigenous knowledge systems. In the following videos, I will be giving a detailed tutorial on how to read and write Isibheqe Sohlamvu, and hopefully it can get better adoption. Before we go on to the tutorial, I have to mention that it is a syllabary, and as such, it is very well suited for Bantu languages because they mostly follow a consonant-vowel structure, and as a result, this writing may be a bit inadequate for writing non-Bantu languages such as English, but it is still somewhat possible. This means that, for the reasons given above, the tutorial will be in a mix of English, Zulu, and Sotho, but I will try my very best to help you follow along. Join me in the next video where we discuss how vowels work in Isibheqe Sohlamvu.